day 3 of this Disney trip. We are going to the Magic Kingdom. And that's it. We're right now in the parking lot. Why is the station literally like a freaking tarp on top of a building? Oh.
It's been there forever.
Oh, we've been interrupted by a freaking parade. What the hell? Yo, Kingdom Hearts fans, that presents you, the princesses of destiny. And Mulan, apparently. Alright guys, here's the castle. It's gonna be mine by the end of the night. Well, looks like Peter Pan interrupted our walk to the Caribbean. Tomorrowland looks freaking epic. But we're not going there right now, we're going to the Caribbean. Wait up, wait up, wait up. I'm not kidding you guys, there's another parade. Jeff, do you want to ride the camel?
I've ridden it 14 times.
That camel specifically? It's getting a little spooky in here. Look, they have weapons. Look at this. It's Harry Potter.
Feel free to join in anytime.
Alright, well, we're on the bridge. There's Splash Mountain. Thunder Mountain's way over there. You can't see it because the trees are blocking it. But we're currently in line for Thunder Mountain right now. Is this line. Big Thunder Mountain. Why would they keep explosives on a roller coaster? Oh, that's where we're gonna be. Look at that. People, we conquered one mountain. We got 2 more mountains left. The space one and the splash one. Damn, I can't believe they closed down Building 14. Darn. I missed that place. We're about to get food at the Sleepy Hollow. Just wanted to show you guys another angle of Disney Castle. Look how beautiful it is. That rose gold with royal blue and cobblestone gray. Very beautiful. Very nice. So we just got our food. This is a chicken waffle sandwich. I already took a bite out of it. That's why there's a bite there. I got excited and took a bite before I recorded. That's my bad. I apologize. Any second, guys, I'm taking this castle. Just wait. It's coming. Cinderella? Where is she? I don't see her. Well, today we have reached Tomorrowland. What will tomorrow ensure? I do not know, but today we are at Tomorrowland. Where are we going today? Are we going to Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah, we're gonna go buzz your light years.
I guess we're going to buzz my light years. Alright, let's go buzz my light years. Alright, so get this. We have to wait in line to get into this thing that moves us. It's called a people mover. That thing right there. You see that? We're gonna wait in this line for 10 minutes just to get on the thing that moves us. Crazy, right? Alright, we're getting moved.
We are moving, people. Seriously.
We're literally moving while also sitting down.
We are moving, people.
What a revolutionary ride this is.
Look at all the people down
Look at those suckers not being moved.
Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney.
It's pretty cool.
That was his original concept that he brought from his LA show.
Outbound departure.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Stock Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the
Is
galaxy.
that the future too? Oh look, it's the Astro Orbiter.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed
Yeah, look at
towards
how fast
the
these cars go.
your very own race car.
That's how fast they go.
Younger
Wow, they go pretty fast.
Driving the fast
they're
way,
going so
but don't
fast.
worry about it.
Oh, is that the Tron coaster? God damn.
Yeah.
Dude, that looks nuts.
Yeah. You're not supposed to see this, but you do anyway.
That's freaking nuts. Holy crap. Oh, I think it's to see inside Space Mountain.
Whoa! No,
Whoa. Look at that thing.
Calling all Space Rangers, this is Buzz
me on this daring space mission. I can see you'll never return.
As an honorary space station,
I can see the entire galaxy.
Dude, is this what the galaxy looks like? It's pretty dark. Whoa. Oh, look, there's the castle. Hello, castle. Hello, castle. Hello, castle.
this time it's laughter thereafter at
More
Monsters
people.
Incorporated.
Over there,
so
they're
drop
moving.
in and
Just
join
like
Mike
us.
Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform.
Oh, we're almost there. It's Buzz Lightyear's spoon. Now we're almost there. Unfortunately, we have to go all the way around over there. After already having going all the way around over there. And now we gotta go all the way around over there just to get inside.
We love Disney.
Look, it's Buzz Lightyear, guys. What is it? What is that mysterious monster thing? Name that Pokemon. It's battle stations. And beyond. He said it. He said the line. Power dangerously low. Looks pretty high to me. You see that mansion right there? That one? We're going in it. It's gonna be haunted, according to the ride. The haunted mansion. Yes. Oh man, I really hope this mansion's got some AC or something. It's freaking hot outside. Oh, dude. I wonder how old this mansion is. Damn, bro. What year is this whip?
1738.
Yeah. I think this has at least 15 horsepower.
At least.
At least 15 horsepower. I think this mansion's got like a back problem or something. Here's the next ride, fellas. Splash Mountain. Conquering the second of mountains. Let's get it. Oh, look, they're about to drop. Oh, okay, I missed it. Sorry, guys. Well, we already made it to the big drop. I didn't have my phone out because I was afraid of drop it. Just imagine me yelling at the top of my lungs for like a solid 3 seconds, and yeah, that's it. Oh, I guess there's another drop. We're doing teacups. We're gonna spin around on teacups. Why are there so many chains? God, it's never-ending chains. So how fast are we going, Jeff?
We're going relatively fast.
Okay. All right. Well, we are pretty cramped in this teacup. So.
It's a teacup for a reason.
It is a teacup. Not a mug. Oh boy. Holy crap! Whoa! 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 Thank God! Oh my God! Yeah, I'm still sweating in my head. Damn! Look at that castle. Oh, I still gotta steal it. Oh shoot! Oh, you can't see it, but someone. Oh my God, you can barely see it. Someone let go of the balloon. There it goes! There it goes! Oh my God! Oh, guys. So beautiful. It's too bad I can't Whoa! Ride. We got Space Mountain coming up.
We could like quote unquote see the inside of Space Mountain.
Yeah. Well, we just rode Space Mountain. That's the last ride for today since Magic Kingdom is technically now closed, or it's been closed for like the past 20 minutes. We just happen to be in line. We couldn't record it because it's a dark coaster, so you can't see anything. That's the end of day 3. Tomorrow we're gonna be hitting up Hollywood Studios. And yeah, there'll be another vlog for that one. Alright, see you guys later.